Hello ladies and gentlemen, today on James's DIY project channel we are going to make a Kindling splitter. Right here you'll see the top of a Kindling splitter that I have made. Unfortunately my last camcorder has died, so I wasn't able to get the footage I had done off of it. But as you can see, I've still got to grind the sides to make them flat, but it is nicely done and very well secured. Okay, so here's the leg of my Kindling maker that I'm going to be making. As you can see, it's 18 inches high by 12 inches wide. So this one right here is 12 inches. This one right here is 18. And then I've got two corner supports right here and here to support against the blow that the Kindling maker will be taking from the hammer splitting the wood through. Also, this will be what I use to cut out the blade for my Kindling maker. This one right here will be the one I cut to make my blade. As you can see, this one's got my knife designs, so I gotta cut that out from one of my next projects that I'm gonna be doing on my DIY channel. Okay, gals and gentlemen, so now on the Kindling maker I'm about to do my legs. As you can see, it's two pieces of angle iron making a T, and then my cross supports to go in. And I have a magnet here holding it so that I can start tacking and then square up on the 90. So give me a second. I'm going to use a washer to leave that little bit of space in between. Now I'm going to tack it and I'm going to show you guys how it looks after it's done and I've got it squared to a 90. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've just finished doing the welds on my T with the angle iron. So now I'm going to put in cross supports so that when it takes the impact from the blow of the hammer to the wood, that it won't actually bend. So I'm going to go get these tacked and welded on, and then I'm going to show you guys a finished picture. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I'm done welding my T together. So it looks, I might clean it up, probably will, but I'm going to go do another one of these. I'm going to go do another one of these legs, and then I'm going to get started to putting the top on and the blade. I've got the blade over here that I'm going to do. It's going to be two pieces of angle iron done on 45s each, so that it gives it a big thickness when you're splitting in Kindling. So I'm just going to go and start welding this next one. I'll talk to you guys in a couple minutes. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, I've finished welding my two legs and the top for my Kindling maker. I'm just going to bring a piece close and show you on camera. So those welds, they're not the best, but they're not the worst. So now what I have left to do is I have to cut my blade, which is over here. Here we go. So that's my cutting guide set up. If you want to take a look, you can see I have nice knife pattern traced out on this one. So this one I'm going to get cut right away, but it's this one right here at the back that's been marked to 11.5 inches to put into my Kindling splitter, and I'm going to cut this one after that. Hey ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? So now that I've finally finished my legs and my top, which I'm going to show you a picture of, I'm going to start assembling them. I'm going to combine the legs and the top of my Kindling maker. So here we go. There's the top of my Kindling maker. As you can see, I grinded it to make it look nice. Still need to paint it. And then these are the legs that I did. The inside and that I haven't touched because I'm just going to spray paint over top of it. But the outside, which is right here, I've grounded the welds to make them look pretty nice. Now I just need to paint it. So I'm going to go and start tacking and welding this, and then I'll show you guys a photo after it's done. Okay guys, so this is the Kindling maker almost done. As you can see, I've got the legs welded onto the top. I still got to grind it, which I'll be doing in a couple seconds. And then I got what I'm going to use as the blade. So I went and I've cut this out from the angle iron that I showed you at the start. And now I'm going to go and grind it to make 245s to a point. And then I'm going to clear all the rust off on both sides and weld it. Hey guys, back again. So as I showed you before, this is a knife that I've cut, and if you look closely at it, you will see the tip that I have put on it to help split the wood. So now I have two marked spots in the middle here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the blade in. So as you can see, I've got the blade in, and I'm using these two little, I guess they're pieces of metal that are welded into it as a guide. So I'm going to check this out to make sure it's level, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to weld both this side and this side in. I've cleaned up both sides with my grinder so that the weld will work perfectly. After I'm done this, I'm going to show you guys it fully done. Then I'm going to take it out, show you when it's in use, and then show you another picture after I'm done painting it. I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey guys, so I'm done welding both the front and the back, as you can see. Got a lot of weld sparks and all that on my table. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and test the blade to show you how it works, and then I'm going to go paint it. Okay guys, so I got a small piece of wood here. It's 4x4. And here's the Kindling Maker. There you go. Broke it off, made kindling. This is perfect for camping. Or if you're going out to the forest to log, you want to start a little bit of a fire. There you go. I just made enough kindling to start a fire. Next thing, I'm going to paint it and show you guys another clip. Hey guys, sorry about not being able to show you the finished result of the spray painted Kindling Maker. Unfortunately, I've ran out of spray paint and I don't have any spray paint to use. So I'm going to go to the store and buy some, but I want to get this out and posted for you guys so that you can have some more help on how to build a Kindling Maker. I'm also going to add on the materials you need to make this, and if you don't want to duplicate what I did, if you want to go off and do your own thing, go ahead. I'm just here to try to give you guys some helping tips. Also, there is a company called Deals. Let you take a look right there. They are a really good company. They are actually up on 33rd and 17th. Their address is 3313 17th Ave Southeast. They're really good. I actually went and I bought a grinder from them and it's turned out perfect. I love it. So I really recommend these guys for you if you want to go buy some tools or trade or whatever. They're a great source. So after I'm going to show you guys an Excel printout of the materials that you need to use. Until next time, have yourselves a great day.